Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about CAW on the Cronos chain, the number one crypto meme coin on Cronos. And I want to give you guys my opinion about that. We're going to take a look at the overall market as well, but I want to tell you about my position on CAW and what I think about it. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, first off, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and let's talk about CAW. So right now, I'm looking at the Cronos ecosystem, and let's be honest here, guys. There's been a lot of blood in the streets. Bitcoin has been chopping around, and what has been happening with the meme coins? Well, they've been collapsing. Let's just be honest. Let's not beat around a bush. They've been getting hurt, and it's shown. But I do still hold CAW. I hold mery. My largest position is in CAW because I do believe that there will be a rejuvenation at some point. The question is when, and we'll talk about that later in my opinion on when I think CAW will make that move to the upside, that crow with knife. But as of right now, it's still the number one meme coin on Cronos. It has some weight to it. Sure, there's a lot of drama with the community. There's a lot of drama with all the meme coins really on Cronos because it's a very smaller ecosystem than, say, the Solana meme coin ecosystem or the Ethereum meme coin ecosystem. So it's a lot easier to see 5 people in a room and pick one out than see 10,000 people in the room and get upset with one of them in that room. If you can understand that analogy. But let's take a look at CAW. Because CAW right now, at one point, man, we got up to about $100 million market cap. Right now, I believe we're trading at, let's see, what are we trading at on CAW? Can we see the market cap? 52.2 million. Still significant, in my opinion. Probably a nice area to get a 2x, especially if we see another meme coin rally, more liquidity, Bitcoin decide to play nice. We'll probably see a bounce up to previous all-time highs on CAW, in my opinion. I bought about $10,000 worth of CAW. I think I have maybe a little bit more at this point. I think I bought some more. I'm not quite sure. But I have over about $10,000. And it's probably come down a little bit since I bought as well from where we're at since Bitcoin has been chopping around. But over on Instagram, I posted, I can't click this because I'm not logged in, but you can see when I'm mousing over. I did a swap for, what is this? Yeah, $10,000 worth of CAW. And if you guys do want to, speaking of Instagram, follow me at 333Blacksea. If I can reach 500 followers, let's say a week from now, next Sunday, I'll give $1,000 to one of you guys. So go follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. I would love to give back to you guys. I gave $1,000 away to someone else when I reached 300 followers. I said I was only going to give $300 away, but I don't know. I was in a good mood and I gave away $1,000. But I want to do it again. So let's get to 500 followers by Sunday next week. It's like 7 days. And let's give that money away. So let's talk back about CAW. You know, I'm bullish on CAW. I believe in CAW. It's basically Corgi AI and CAW, Crow with Knife, are kind of the only meme coins that really have garnered a lot of hype in the Cronos ecosystem. But I will say that I don't really see that many people talk about Corgi AI as much. And Corgi AI did reach, I believe, at one point almost $1 billion market cap. I don't think it broke above it. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section below if I'm wrong about it, if Corgi AI did break $1 billion. But I do think that CAW could probably, easily get back to $100 million. That's why I think this is a good level to be layering into. Not financial advice, but just my opinion on CAW. I just want to give you guys an update on what I think is going to be happening here. And all in all here, the meme coins have been getting crushed. Bitcoin has been chopping around on this channel, which we'll talk about shortly. And it's really been hurting the altcoins, the meme coins specifically. And I want to give you guys my opinion on that. So right now, the overall market right now, Bitcoin is chopping around $64,000. Bitcoin dominance, 54.02%. We're getting a little bit of life back in these altcoins. You know, when you exclude stablecoins, it's basically 56%. And I do think that we're going to see some of this liquidity start moving back into the altcoins and not the meme coins. Not just yet, in my opinion. I think that it's time for the cycle to change a little bit. And we're going to see some of that liquidity flow into Ethereum, Binance, Solana, even though Solana has gotten a lot of love so far this bull market. Maybe even XRP into Cardano. I think we're going to see some of that liquidity finally move into the utility coins in this next leg up. And yes, I did say the next leg up, because when we look at Bitcoin, we are trading at a very sketchy level, in my opinion. And you know, this orange line I have drawn here, I've been talking about in the past few videos, is basically the bull market trend line. And if we decide to break below that, I think we're going to have a long sideways consolidation, corrective move for an extended period of time. Probably don't get a little bit of some life back into this market until August or October. That being said, even if we do trade sideways here, I do expect there to be life coming back to Bitcoin. I do expect Bitcoin to maybe chop around, bore people to no end, make people capitulate. Maybe we come down, we test that dreaded $59,000, $57,000 price level maybe. But all in all, I think that ends off with a large move to the upside. As long as we don't really see some capitulation and weekly candle closes below 57,000, that's my opinion. But if we do see that, well, that's my invalidation. And we'll make another video for that if we do decide to come get weekly candle closures below $59,000. That being said, I do think that with the Ethereum spot ETF potentially launching on July 2nd, remember that, guys, July 2nd, it's not that far away, and also monthly candle closure in 7 days and 21 hours, about 8 days away, I do think that we're setting up for a little bit of relief here soon. People are so bearish on the timeline. It's absolutely insane. I think a lot of that bearish sentiment is coming from basically the pain that we're seeing with the altcoins, because a lot of these altcoins are down 50, 60, even some of them 70%. It's pretty crazy. Some of the meme coins are absolutely wrecked. But yeah, guys, the sentiment is extremely bull. It's extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. Like, I'm talking like people think that FTX collapsed, kind of bearish. But Bitcoin is still trading above $60,000. That's bullish. We're consolidating. Consolidation is not weak unless it breaks down. Remember that. And consolidation in a bull market is really a cool-off period before we have a move to the upside, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but I put my money where my mouth is. Over on Blowfin, an exchange we just started working with, I put in a long position on Ethereum. Nothing substantial, just a little bit of, just to show you guys originally how to trade. I have some larger positions over on Femex, but I decided to do a little position on Blowfin. We have some awesome referral links down below this video. All you got to do is go in this description box. We have a $30 sign-on bonus. All you got to do is click the link, deposit $100, I believe, to your futures account. There's also up to $5,000 in bonuses that you can get from trading on Blowfin. You can check that out. But like I said, I put my money where my mouth is, and I have long positions on Ethereum. On Femex, I'm pretty long. I have a decent amount of Ethereum, and I know with size, when people say, "Oh, I'm long with size," it's very subjective. But I have a large position in Ethereum because I think that there's a good chance here that we're setting up for a large move to the upside. And when that does happen, I think that CAW probably performs very well. We see the meme coins rally, but first, I think the utility coins are going to rally because they need their time in the sun. And I think that will be the thing to make nature all right in the crypto land if the utility coins get some love and get some of that liquidity. But then I do think that the meme coins will have a face melting rally here when we do see that leg up on Bitcoin. That's why I'm bullish on CAW, guys. I like CAW. I like the Cronos ecosystem. It would be wrong if I didn't own any CAW. I own CAW, I own mery. I'm having fun with it. If it goes to zero, that's unfortunate. I don't think that would happen with CAW. It's kind of established a decent community. Yeah, guys, that's my opinion on CAW. Like I said, I have thousands of dollars worth of it. But if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, 333Blacksea. Love to get to 500 followers by Sunday. Give away $1,000 to one of you guys. Maybe I'll give $1,000 worth of CAW away, but whatever crypto you really want. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.